when can I get one chance or opportunity in life? One boy who was very good at studies, his only dream was getting into the engineering. As his dream, he'll get into the engineering college, he successfully finishes engineering and he starts attending for the interviews. After 2 or 3 years, he will not get the job. So he'll feel depressed, disappointed, and he will tired of doing it and he thinks to give up. By seeing his struggle, by seeing his disappointment, their parents have decided to meet one Swamiji. So one day his father take him to Swamiji. After reaching to the Swamiji, his father says to Swamiji, Swamiji, my son was very good at studies. He has scored good marks, but he was not satisfied in the life. He was struggling for it. There is any opportunity to change his life? After listening to it, Swamiji replied, yes, there is a chance of changing his life. I had a wonderful solution for it. So, after listening to it, his father and his son both will become very happy. After that, Swamiji says that boy to come with him. So Swamiji and that boy will go to the river. In front of the river, there are many stones. By seeing that stones, Swamiji replied, "A boy, there are many stones over here, but in that stone, if you find one stone that will be the miracle stone, if it is with you, the opportunities will not go from away from you. You will get the good opportunities, then you can change your life." By listening to it, that boy will feel very happy and he asks him, Guruji, how can I find that one stone? So there will be many thousands of stones in that. So he'll ask Guruji, in that thousands of stones, how can I find one stone in it? Swamiji replies, one solution is there. There will be many cold stones. There will be only one hot stone in it. So it is very easy to find. So from next day, that boy starts searching for the hot stone. So he tries doing it for 1 week. After 1 week, he can't find the hot stone. So he will get an idea to throw the stones in the river so that he can find easily where is the hot stone. So he will start throwing the stones in the river. So when he was throwing the stones in the river, the stones which are placing over there, that stones are reducing day by day. In a flow, without realization, he has thrown into the river. After throwing it into the river, he will realize it. Oh my God, I have thrown a hot stone in it. That is the end of the story. Where it ends, the story will begin over there. See, in life also, we will find many challenges, many struggles, but we will think at one point of stage, we will think to give up. But at that stage, when we are giving up, we will get the opportunities to chase our dreams. So, keep doing which you are passionate about the things, and keep doing hard work. Be relaxed and be conscious about what you're doing, because in that story, by daily he used to throw that cold stone in it. Without realization, he has thrown one hot stone, which is the opportunity he got. Like a cold stone, we will get one opportunity in life to change, but we will not realize it. If we have to get that opportunity, we have to ready to open our door. So when opportunity knocks our door, we have to be conscious, right? So we have to be conscious whatever we do, whatever we are passionate about, you keep doing it, you will get it. See, we have 100 years of life. If you are doing hard work, you will get struggle for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, maybe 4 years or 5 years. In 100 years of life, 4 years means it will be like 4%. In 104% means 96% of your life will be good, right? So wait for the opportunity and keep doing what you are doing, and be relaxed, be patient, and be ready for grabbing the opportunity, for chasing your opportunity. Definitely you will change your life one day. Thank you so much. Yours Nikila. Namaste.